Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Philips. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. If you have iOS, you will see that not connected text near to your earbuds, or if you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme you have the information under your earbuds in use when them connected with your phone, and no information when this earbuds disconnected from the phone. So maybe you have similar paths to check it. Okay, after we disconnect them, we need to open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. But sometimes it happened with devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So then try to tap at your earbuds at the device list, and then it should reconnect automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.